Guizhou Datong Road and Bridge Engineering Construct Company, Limited. Machanghe Bridge, 𝙋𝙧𝙧𝙪𝙧 is located in Guiding, Guizhou, China. Machanghe Bridge 𝙋𝙧𝙧𝙪𝙧 is one of two CFST arches on the mountainous 𝙃𝙧 East Guiyang Ring Road Expressway in Guizhou Province. A drone photo shows the Machanghe Grand Bridge under construction along the Guiyang-Pingtang Expressway in southwest China's Guizhou Province, August 30, 2024. The main arch of the Machanghe Grand Bridge along the Guiyang-Pingtang Expressway was successfully joined on Friday, 2024, August 30th. The bridge has a length of 381.5 meters and the through arch has a main span of 260 meters with height of 164 meters. Thanks for watching. VLG-ruon.